Their names are Rohani and Mika. And of course, when meeting a whale for the first time, a friendly pat on the head is always appropriate. So girls, just kneel down right next to the trainers. You reach out and give the whales a friendly pat on the head. You may also touch the tongue in the teeth to see how friendly they are. Very nice! And then you can give them a fish to start that new friendship. Very good. At alam nyo ba itong mga whales namin? They're Rohani and Mika to dance with the whale. So, are you ready down there? Not quite? Put your arms over to your side and put on some music, please. Alright, well done you two. You've got rid of the whale to show off a new behavior. So girls, all you have to do is just raise both hands up in the air. That's it. Now keep those hands up and stay where you are because the whales will be right back. There you go. They came back with a mouthful of water. What's that, you guys? You think it's funny? Well, the whales are just kidding, folks. Tell you what, for those of you who want to meet our whales and dolphins up close and personal, there are several programs that we offer here at Ocean Adventure. First, you may avail of our Beach Encounter program kung saan pwede whale skin feel like.
Wet rubber.
Wet rubber. Do you agree with that? Perfect description. Parang nga po silang salbabida. And I also saw both of you fed the whale some fish, right? So, how does your hand smell? Fishy? That's right. Do you know how to get rid of the fishy smell aside from washing it with soap and water? No idea? Okay, I'm going to teach you a very special technique that trainers all around the world do. Ang gagawin nyo lang is to follow me. Ready na kayo? Okay, you stick your arm out and do what I do. There! Wipe it on your shirt! Well, they're too smart for me. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin si Rohani and Mika. Thank you, girls, for helping us out and being